Welcome to my new tutorial. The question today is how I get from the Z gates to the A gates. It's from non-Schengen to Schengen area. Just walk past the glass dome. When you think my channel is helpful for you, then subscribe please. Go left. Go left. Go left. Now we go through passport control. See you again afterwards. After the passport control, follow the duty free. Now turn left through the duty free. My video is about to end and I wish you a good journey. If you go right, you will come to the gates A50 till A69. If you go left, you will come to the gates A1 till A42.